Tumshangilie Mheshimiwa Rais baada ya kucheza vizuri sana tunaposherehekea utamaduni. Leo ni siku ya utamaduni wetu. Tuwapigie makofi wanapoondoka jukwani. Asante, asante, asante. Mheshimiwa Rais, nafahamishwa kwamba wimbo huo unajulikana kwa jina Kila Karsua na unasema karibu sana mahali hapa, na wimbo huo unaimbwa wakati wa furaha. Sasa tutapata kundi la mwisho kabisa kwa sasa ambalo ni Lobole likituletea wimbo mfupi ambao unaimbwa wakati wa mavuno. Karibuni. kuondoka nyumbani. Makofi kwao tafadhali. Makofi kwa leo wa chini. Asante kwa heshima ya Mheshimiwa Rais na kwa vile waimbaji wote wako hapa, tunawaomba wapande jukwani wote waimbe wimbo mmoja wote kwa pamoja. Tupande sote uimbaji. Haya, asante sana. Wale wengine wote tupande sasa hivi. Asante. Wananchi tuwashangilie waimbaji wetu pamoja na Mheshimiwa Rais. Makofi tafadhali. Asanteni. Tunaweza keti tafadhali. Asanteni waimbaji, tutaweza kurejea baadaye. Basi Mheshimiwa Rais, it's now my pleasure to invite Ms. Caroline Van Buren, UNHCR country representative, to make some few remarks, and thereafter we continue. You're welcome.
Thank you. Your Excellency, Honorable Dr. Ûndûire, Excellency Jeremiah Lomorukai, Governor of Turkana County, Excellencies, Governors present, Honorable Members of Parliament, Cabinet Secretaries, Principal Secretaries, Members of County Assemblies, Excellencies, Ambassadors, Heads of Missions, Heads of International Organizations, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed. I'm very pleased to be here today to join the County of Turkana and its people as they celebrate the Turkana Tourism and Cultural Festival. Please allow me to thank the Government of Kenya for the continued collaboration in support of refugees in Kenya and for hosting displaced communities for more than 3 decades. Particularly, I would like to commend the efforts by His Excellency the President and the Government of Kenya for the outstanding and steadfast efforts towards continuously supporting refugees while sharing the greater responsibility and burden towards their inclusion into systems that provide equitable access to services. In this regard, the efforts of His Excellency Lomorukai, Turkana County Governor, and the county's unwavering support are laudable. The local communities of Turkana have shown incredible hospitality, outstanding solidarity, and more importantly, extended a helping hand to those in need by offering them a place and welcoming them in their societies. They have embraced refugees as residents of Turkana County and include them in various activities in the society. Including refugees into communities' integrated development plans ensures their meaningful participation in the society and, more importantly, supports in building thriving and prosperous communities that are inclusive, just, and peaceful. All these remarkable efforts give hope to refugees. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, for many years, the government of Kenya has pioneered various approaches for supporting refugees. For example, the enactment of the Refugees Act of 2021, which provides new and additional opportunities, rights, protection, and solutions for refugees and asylum seekers in Kenya. In addition, the decision to transition from camps to integrated settlements through the development of the Sharika Plan will provide both refugees and the host communities with access to national services and programs aimed at facilitating self-reliance while at the same time supporting economic development in Kenya's refugee hosting areas. In this regard, the government of Kenya has shown pivotal leadership and ownership in operationalizing these acts and policies at the grassroots level through diligent and determined efforts. Despite the challenges and financial landscape, the government of Kenya has been contributing dedicated resources for promoting refugee inclusion in line with Kenya's commitments under the Comprehensive Refugee Response Framework, the CRRF, and the Global Compact on Refugees. Translating these into actions, the County of Turkana, through concerted actions, has made exceptional progress towards refugee inclusion at the grassroots level. Let me take this opportunity to thank the Governor of Turkana once again for this outstanding solidarity and support. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, while expressing my sincere thanks to donors and the international community for their support throughout this journey, I call upon you for your continued support and more equitable responsibility sharing. At this critical juncture, donors and the international community, steadfast and continued support remains crucial to foster peace and prosperity. In conclusion, let me take this opportunity to thank once again the government of Kenya, the Turkana County and people for generously welcoming and hosting refugees for more than 3 decades. I'm here to extend UNHCR's appreciation and to help celebrate your rich cultural heritage. I wish you a successful festival. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much.
A round of applause. Tumpigie makofi tena. And now, Your Excellency, I invite the head of delegation from the Federal Republic of Ethiopia, led by Michael Maliko. Mr. Michael You're welcome.
Matanai Turkana, Mateni Tupaso, Matani Karamojan, Matani Akhtar. His Excellency, the President Honorable William Sami Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellent Honorable Mir Jeremiah Naptukan, Government of Turkana County, other honorable governors and people of Turkana, I would like to say congratulations for your 7th Turkana Tourism and Cultural Festival. I would like to thank you the opportunity to hear today. This is my first time for the participation of this your unique Turkana Tourism and Festival. This is such an exciting day for us because it marks the beginning of a new relationship with my country, Ethiopia, especially South Amazon people of Nyangatom and Dasanaj. We have similar cultures and norms to promote and advocate each other and beyond to global. In addition to this, we want to sustain our economic development and the social relationship as neighboring country and as well as cross-border community. Finally, I would like to share our commitment to work with you on security challenges in border community to solve and make peaceful relationship in the community. Again, congratulations to you. Thank you.
Tumpigie makofi tena. Asante. Mheshimiwa Rais, it's now my pleasure to invite the head of delegation from the Republic of South Sudan, Mr. Louis Lobong Lojore, the governor of Eastern Equatoria State. You're welcome.
Turkana na Yatakarada na. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, and all the accompanying delegation from the national government of Kenya, Your Excellency, the Governor of Turkana County, and all the members of the Turkana County, the head of the delegation from the neighboring country that has been invited to this very important occasion, all invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, protocol observed, remain observed. I greet all of you in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Your Excellency the President, I, with my delegation, would like to appreciate the invitation that has been extended to us in the Republic of South Sudan, and also would like to appreciate the warm reception that has been accorded to me and my team yesterday from the security checkpoint of Nadapalo all the way to Ûndûire. I would like to introduce my delegation wherever they are to rise up so that for the purpose of recognition, I don't know where they are. That's the delegation that came with me from the Republic of South Sudan, particularly Eastern Equatoria State. Your Excellency the President and the people of Turkana County, I bring to you greetings from the Republic of South Sudan, particularly Eastern Equatoria State, which is bordering you, the Kenyan. We came to join you for this very important occasion to Ûndûire festival because we are your neighbors, because we are also members of the Atakari community. When your neighbor is having an occasion, whether good and bad, you have to go and join them. And that's why we are here today, to celebrate with you this tourism and cultural festival to Ûndûire. I would like also to thank those who have initiated this annual festival called to Ûndûire some years back. Your Excellency the President, this to Ûndûire has brought unity and peace among the Atakari community, all the neighboring tribes that are bordering the Turkana. Previously, these people have been fighting and raiding each other. Since the initiation of RUTO Ûndûire, cattle wrestling have reduced drastically. I would like to thank the former of this county, Honorable Nanok, I think, and his team. They were the one who initiated to Ûndûire. I would like also to thank the current governor for continuing in these programs. I would like also on behalf of the people of the Republic of South Sudan to thank our presidents, the President of the Republic of Kenya and the President of the Republic of South Sudan, for the excellent bilateral relations that they have created, and now the people of these two state countries are enjoying business movements, and we should continue to do so. And I will ask my counterparts, the governor of Turkana County, together with us who are bothering you, we should continue to implement that policy of the people of our president, so that our people benefit from these bilateral relations. I would like to appeal to our president, the President of the Republic of Kenya and the President of the Republic of South Sudan, as communities who are bordering Kenya and you, the Turkana, that they should speed up this issue of the limitation and demarcation of the borders that has been done by our colonials, so that we translate it physically on the ground, so that we make use of our natural resources which are in these borders. I call upon the Kenyans, particularly the people of Turkana, now that there is relevant peace among our communities, now that our countries have created these bilateral relations and they are working to consolidate the East Africa, can we also make use of this opportunity and do business together? And I call you to come and invest in South Sudan, and particularly Eastern Equatoria. In the field of agriculture, I have seen the land here is dry, and next to you, the land is very fertile. While instead of you looking and buy food somewhere, why don't you come manifest there and bring food here into Turkana? Your Excellency the President, the Governor of Turkana, once again, we appreciate the invitations and we appreciate this kind of occasions, and let us continue to work together in peace, to work together to allow people to do business. With this, I would like to end up my remark here. Thank you so much.
Tumpigie makofi tena tafadhali. And now, Your Excellency, to conclude speeches by international dignitaries, I now invite the acting Chinese ambassador to Kenya, Mr. Chang Ching Chong, to make a few remarks.
Your Excellency, Honorable Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellencies, the Cabinet Secretaries and Governors, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and fellows in Turkana. Jumbo, good morning. It is my great pleasure to join with you the fantastic event of the Turkana Culture Festival. It is really my honor. But although I'm invited as a guest, I don't feel like a guest because I was told that Turkana is the origin of humankind. And Turkana is the home of the whole humankind. So today I'm back home now. So it is not only a fabulous culture event for me, but it is also a once-in-a-life experience for me. And in my humble opinion, that every single person of the 8 billion people on this earth, they must come to Turkana at least once in their lives. And this year, I'm from China. This year marks the 60th anniversary of the China-Kenya diplomatic relations. China was among the first countries to establish our relations with Kenya. We are very proud of that. And here in Turkana, as you can see, the main roads here in Turkana were constructed by the Chinese companies. And here, I still have a picture. Actually, this is 5 years ago when our president, Dr. William Ruto, he attended the opening ceremony for the construction of the road. So it should be remembered that President has brought us a road and a road to the future prosperity for Turkana. I'm very glad, and I also want to thank you, the Chinese companies. You let the road to come true. Thank you very much. And I'm the charge d'affaires of the embassy. Our ambassador is now on the way back to China for another very important event, Road Forum. So I want to say, it is the commitment of our embassy to further enhance the people-to-people understanding and the culture-to-culture exchange. So in the future, we are very honored and glad to visit Turkana again, to join with you, friends, fellows in Turkana. And also, I hope I can get the support from all of you. And I want to introduce Turkana, our human hometown, to my fellow friends in China. So more and more Chinese people will visit this place. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Tumpigie makofi kwa mara nyingine tena. Asante sana, and in Turkana language I'm told we say ejokonoi. That is to say, thank you very much. Now, Your Excellency, it's my pleasure to invite the Governor of Turkana, His Excellency Jeremiah Lomurukai, to speak. Na vile vile awatambue viongozi, na kisha baada ya hapo amwalike waziri wa utalii Mheshimiwa Alfred Mutua ambaye atamwalika waziri wa utamaduni.
Okay, asante. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. Samuel David Samoei Ruto, William Samoei Ruto. I'm a friend to David. Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to recognize the CSs who are present here. I want to recognize also my colleagues, the governor for Marsabit, Mohammed, and the governor for Uasin Gishu, my good friend and neighbor, the members of parliament, the PSS present, all the dignitaries, the governor for Eastern Equatoria, and the delegations from the 3 countries. I want to also to recognize the Deputy Ambassador for China present here, and also our good friend, Caroline, the representative, the UN representative for the UNHCR. Your Excellency, I want to also to recognize the members of County Assembly of Turkana present behind us here. I think before I make my speech, I want to take this opportunity to recognize a few members of parliament. All of them are not going to give speeches, but I will introduce them by their names, and the women rep and the member of parliament for Turkana Central will get 2 minutes each. With us here, we have the member of parliament for Turkana East, Nicholas Nkor, is present here. With us also, we have the member of parliament for Turkana North, Honorable Nabuin, is also present here. We have the member of parliament for Turkana West, Epuyo, is with us here. We have the member of parliament for Loima, Protas Akuja, is also present here. I want now to give this singular opportunity to the member of parliament for Turkana Central to lead the session for inviting the speaker and the women rep to get 2 minutes each. I think also I want to recognize also some senior professionals here and former leaders. We have the former Speaker of the Senate, Honorable David Okwei-Thuro. The legend is back. We have the former CS Muñez present here. And I think the rest are also present. So, Mr. Amar, I think you can lead that single session.
Mheshimiwa Rais aliye pia amiri jeshi mkuu wa Kenya, Daktari William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, Mheshimiwa Governor wa Turkana, Jeremiah Ekamais Lomorukai, heads of delegations from other countries present, CSS, PSS, MPs, MCS, watu wote wa Turkana County. Ejokozia, ekurabu jikubroi, na, Matakiru, Mategdil, RUTO, Lomorukai. Joko noi, ayanganyarte madana muar, eka Turkana Central. Your Excellency, jana tulizungumza na wewe, kinaga ubaga. Na tukajua jinsi ambavyo unatupenda. Tukajua jinsi ambavyo historia yako ilianzia Bar El Ghazal kama watu wa Ateker ambao wamejikusanyika hapa siku ya leo. Your Excellency, siku ya leo sina mambo ambayo nitaongea, lakini jana tumezungumza maneno ya security, tumezungumza maneno ya elimu, tumezungumza maneno ya ajira, tumezungumza maneno yote hata ya maji pamoja na watoto wetu ambao wamefungwa Uganda. Tulizungumza. Na leo asubuhi, Your Excellency, umenipatia shilingi milioni 15. Shilingi milioni 10 itaenda kwa Bishop Mount Teachers Training College. Milioni 20, poleni naomba radhi, milioni 20 Bishop Mount Teachers Training College. Na shilingi milioni 5 inaenda kujenga kumalizia library ambayo ilikuwa inajengwa na Lodwar Old Boys Association. Hiyo inaenda kwa shule ya Lodwar High School. Mheshimiwa Rais, wewe ni mtu wa kusema na kutenda. Na ninakushukuru sana. Jambo tu ambayo tutafuatilia kwa haraka sana ni maneno ya maji, ili watu wetu ambao wako kwa ile upande mwingine ya Ateker wakuje wapate maji ya mifugo yao. Your Excellency, wacha nichukue nafasi nimkaribishe Women Rep Cecilia aje atuzungumzie.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, all protocols observed. Turkana mata na iyakasya loreoka kayakisilia kalakara iyakasi jik ejokonoi alakara. Your Excellency, karibu. Kama mama county wa hii county, Your Excellency, sisi tuko na furaha sana. Jana tulilala kwa anga iliyo na usalama sana, tukiwa na amiri jeshi mkuu wa majeshi ya Kenya. Ulikuwa unajua jana rais alilala na nyinyi hapa wa Turkana? Mlikuwa mnajua? Hebu pigeni rais makofi. Na jana, Your Excellency, nikakwambia ukilala, tafuta time our ancestors waongee na wewe, wakuambie shida zetu zenye tumesahau na zenye tulikuambia. Na leo uweze kutuongelesha vizuri na utuambie yale umetupangia. Bwana asifiwe Turkana. Your Excellency, kama vile mbunge mwenzangu amesema, tuliongea mambo mengi jana na hatuwezi rudia, tukakupea memorandum na tunajua wewe ni rais mwenye bidii sana. Saa hizi hivi unatarajiwa mahali pengine. Sisi tulikuambia shida za Waturkana, kuanzia security, stima, ajira, mambo yote na wengine nyatu kusema ilikuwa ni kuhusu lake ya Turkana. You said Lake Turkana is among the special lakes, and indeed it is the largest desert lake in the world. And it is, I wanted to add, Your Excellency, it is the largest water body that Kenya doesn't share with any other country. So, Your Excellency, yale maneno Governor wa Marsabit alisema, ferrying services iwekwe hapa. Watu waende Marsabit wanunue vitu vyao, wakuje na ferry hapo Kalokol, hapo Elie. Your Excellency, angalia ya maneno. Na mambo yenye nitaesa tu rudia ni moja, Your Excellency. Mambo ya insecurity peke yake, Your Excellency. Sisi juzi tuliona kuna mbunge fulani ati tumemaliza juzi campaign, tulikuwa in yellow clad na Mungu akatusaidia wewe umekuwa rais. Yeye asijui alikuwa wapi. Anakuja sasa kutufalia yellow na kutuambia ati wanaheshimu serikali. Waturukana, Your Excellency, hawako kwa history ya kuua hata mwanajeshi mmoja ama askari hata mmoja. Sisi ni watu wenye tunaheshimu serikali sana. Sisi tunaomba Your Excellency, angalia maneno yetu na majirani yetu Pokot. Mambo yetu na Pokot sio mifugo tena, ni mambo ya mipaka, Your Excellency. Sisi tunaomba uweze ku-actualize hii sub-county ya Suguta Valley yenye umesema utatupatia hivi karibuni, hii sub-county ya Aro, hii sub-county ya Lokiriama. Your Excellency, ita enhance security in those places. Ulituambia mpango kamili yenye uko nayo kuhusu usalama wetu, Your Excellency. Na sisi hatuna doubt about what you promised us. Sisi tunajua wewe ni mtu wa kusema na kutenda. Tunashukuru kwa sababu ya hii barabara, Your Excellency. Lakini pale katikati kuna usalama shida huko. Tunaenjoy barabara but kufika hapo Kainuk Kakongu watu wanauawa pale, Your Excellency. Utaangalia hiyo maneno ya usalama. Kwa hivyo Waturkana, jana tulikuwa na leaders meeting, tukaambia His Excellency shida zetu, tukamwandikia tena na tukamwambia verbally ako nazo na atakuja kuwazungumzia. Kwa hivyo mjue kwamba maneno yenu yamepeanwa vizuri. Mwisho, Your Excellency, as I go to sit, is about the unity of the Turkana leaders. Your Excellency, wakati Mheshimiwa Jeremiah Lomorukai alichukua ugavana, alikaa chini akajua Waturkana ndio walichagua yeye kama governor kutoka ODM, wakachagua mimi kama women rep kutoka UDA, wakachagua Lomenen kama senator kutoka Jubilee na baadhi ya wabunge kutoka UDA na vyama vingine. But akasema kama viongozi ya Waturkana tukae pamoja, tufanyie Waturkana wetu kazi na tuungane na serikali kuu tusaidie rais kazi. Na hawa Waturkana hawa wamefurahia umoja wetu, Your Excellency. Tunafurahia sana. His Excellency Jeremiah ameandika watu wetu wengine wa UDA, ameandika watu wa Jubilee kazi, ameajiri watu wa ODM kazi. Hiyo ni umoja. Bwana asifiwe. Nyinyi Waturkana mnapenda umoja ya viongozi ama ampendi? Nyinyi mnataka rais afanye kazi na governor ama amtaki? Nyinyi mnataka governor afanye na sisi kazi ama amtaki? Haya, Mungu amesikia na mtaambia pia rais. Alafu tuko na deni ya rais. Tutakuwa tunawaambia kwa mabarasa tuko na deni na tutalipa. Sawa sawa? Ejokono ikitope arti yako.
Mheshimiwa Rais, unajua tumepatia Cecilia muda mwingi kwa sababu ni kama mama yangu. Yaani amevaa ile mkufu ya leopards, yani ya chui. Na wao ni kama mama yangu. Basi Your Excellency, uniruhusu kwa heshima niwatambulishe wajumbe ambao wametutembelea siku ya leo. Kuna mjumbe kutoka Mathioya constituency, anaitwa Dr. Mugo. Makofi jamani, Mathioya. Tuko na mheshimiwa kutoka Mukuruini, anaitwa Honorable Kagwisha. Kagwisha, asante. Tuko mheshimiwa kutoka Igembe South, Wameru mpo? Haya, tuko na John Paul wa Igembe South. Karibu. Asante. Tuko na mheshimiwa kutoka Limuru County, hapo penye kuna baridi baridi kabla hujaingia Nairobi. Anaitwa mheshimiwa Kiragu. Nakushukuru sana na washukuru sana kwa kututembelea na kuja kujumuika na sisi. Basi wacha nimpatie hii nafasi women rep wa Laikipia County anene moja kwa dakika moja mbili. Karibu.
Your Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Cabinet Secretaries present, PSs present, Governors present, wajumbe wenzangu, MCAs walio huku na wana Turkana ejogo. Mata, 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 na, Kipuro Yesu. Jina langu ni Jane Kagiri, na mimi ndiye akimat wa kule Laikipia County. Kwanza ni kuwafikishia salamu za wale Waturkana wako huko Laikipia. Si mnajua wako Kandutura, kule Kaishakun, Jua Kali, kule Dhome, Tutu, Zimbabwe. Kwa hivyo wamewasalimia sana na wanawapenda, wangetaka kufika lakini hawakuweza. Your Excellency the President, wana Laikipia mpo, asanteni kwa kufika huku. Your Excellency the President, yangu ni mambo mawili tu, sio matatu. Ya kwanza ni kukushukuru kwa niaba ya wakazi wa Laikipia County. Your Excellency, kitambo nilikuwa naalikwa pahali, sikuwa natoka. Juu tulikuwa tunaenda kutoka, unasikia ng'ombe zimeibiwa. Tunaenda kutoka, tunasikia mtu ameuliwa. Lakini ile usalama umetuwekea Laikipia, sasa mpaka naweza lala Lodwar na naamkia vizuri na watu wangu wako salama. Your Excellency, hiyo usiku moja nimekuwa huku Turkana. Nimesikia wakipiga nduru ya usalama. Mimi nataka kukuomba, sema neno moja tu vile ulisema Laikipia na Turkana itapona. Kitu ya pili, Your Excellency, nataka kukushukuru kwa zile ahadi umeendelea kutimiza. Lakini kwetu Laikipia, upande wa Turkana, tumebakishia tu deni moja. Your Excellency, kule tunaishi na Lokai, Lokadele, Ekiru, Akiru na tunajuana kabisa. Hao wanajua Kikuyu hata zaidi yangu. Lakini Your Excellency, wakifika miaka 18, waende kuchukua kitambulisho, wanaanza kupelekwa vetting. Your Excellency, tafadhali tolea Waturkana wa kwetu waache kufanyiwa vetting wakifika miaka 18. Afadhali wapewe vipande kama Wakenya wengine. Asante sana Your Excellency, na nimalizia kwa kusema kule kwetu Laikipia Waturkana walinipatia kura sana. Na nasikia siku ya kupiga kura walikuwa wanaenda wakisema Gagiri, Gagiri, Gagiri ili wakumbuke Kagiri. Leo wameniambia huku Your Excellency, 2027 watatembea wakisema Ruto, 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 Ruto ili wasisahau. Asanteni sana na Mungu awabariki.
Asante Mheshimiwa Jane. Wacha nimkaribishe Mheshimiwa Nicholas Ngikor. Thank you, Your Excellency, for giving us time.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, other protocol observed, watu wa Turkana County, ajogana ba. Your Excellency, because of time, because you are traveling back to Nairobi, I will just take 2 minutes to give you what the people of Turkana they have told me to tell you this afternoon. Your Excellency, I have only 2 issues from Turkana East. Na ni maneno ya insecurity. Your Excellency, mimi naomba tu jambo moja kwa serikali yako. Kuna hii maneno inaongelewa maana ya mipaka. Sio mpaka ya sisi na Uganda, sio maana ya Southern Sudan, sio maana ya Ethiopia, lakini boundary yetu sisi kama kaunti ya Turkana na majirani wetu wa Pokot. Kutoka Pokot West na Pokot wale wako Baringo. Hii maneno Your Excellency, lazima serikali yako yaangalie, kwa sababu nasema lazima kwa sababu wewe ni mmoja wetu. Ile serikali nyingine ilipita yote